What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to invest more money. So welcome back to another video. My name is Whitney Hansen. I'm a financial coach and host of the Money Nerds podcast. And today I'm going to teach you how to find more money in your daily life so that you can invest. Okay, time out. Let's stop for a second. Why the heck would you want to invest more money? Well, let's think about it this way. When you're investing, eventually, your money makes you more money than you do by working. Basically, you're living off of the compound growth or interest. It's such an important principle, and eventually you get there. How do I know this? Because that's how you know when you can officially afford to retire. It's one of the ways. So let's talk about what you can do today, no matter where you are, to start investing more money. The first thing to do is to look at your budget. Yes, you didn't think you were going to get through a money video without talking about budgeting, did you? So why it's so important to look at your budget first is because that is your cash flow. Cash flow is a fancy way of saying how much money do you have remaining at the end of the month. So what to do to start with creating a basic budget is just write down your income, what's your estimated take-home pay, list out all of your monthly expenses, fixed and variable. If you shop at Target, don't forget to include your Target purchases or whatever the heck your vice is. And at the end, you're gonna have income minus all of your expenses. You'll have a number left over. That number is your free cash flow. So essentially, your free cash flow means that's money that is unallocated or does not currently have a job. So if you want to invest more money, you want that free cash flow number to be as high as possible. So that's where to start. And there's two ways to increase your free cash flow. The first way is by increasing your income. I talk about increasing your income often because I think it's a really easy thing to do that you can do on your own time. You can build up some skills. Like, it's a killer way to go. So one of the best ways to increase your income is to either renegotiate your salary if you are currently underpaid or pick up a side hustle. And if you're looking for a good side hustle, I highly recommend furniture flipping. In fact, watch the video linked in the comments box below. I teach you exactly what you need to do to bring in an extra $500 per month off of furniture flipping. So income is an easy one. The next one is to reduce your expenses. Sometimes you can do this. Sometimes your expenses might be in a position where you actually can't reduce them any further. Like, it's to the point where if you can cut your Netflix bill out, that's true, but is $18 or $10 a month really going to move the needle much? Probably not. So it's one of those things where if you have drastic expenses you can reduce, do that. But ultimately, I'm a bigger fan of just increasing your income. Okay, another way to start getting more money to invest is actually reallocating and relooking at your current existing retirement accounts. So you might be working in a job that offers a 401k. A 401k is a fancy word for saying an employer-sponsored retirement plan. Maybe that's a simple way of saying that. Reverse that, but okay. A 401k is a really great way for you to build up wealth very, very quickly because a lot of 401ks offer matches. Basically, it's saying you contribute a certain percentage of your salary, and whatever you contribute, your employer will match 50% or 100%. A lot of money. So it's a really, really great way to go. So definitely look into those options as well. All right, guys, that's it. Quick, simple, to the point, how to invest more money. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it for more investing tips. All right, goodbye. See you later. Alligator and a wild crocodile. I need to go.